What is happening, everybody, and welcome to another episode of our Meowta build. So today on the Meowta, we're not doing anything too crazy. I did notice that the passenger side front headlight works intermittently, so I need to check the connection there. But today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing our doubled-in touchscreen radio, our LRB door cards that are over there, our new door speakers from Kenwood, and we're going to be installing our new D&D steering wheel, hub, and splined quick release. I also got some other goodies back here that you can kind of see. Nothing too crazy, some Takata harnesses and some other goodies, just driving stuff for me. But today what we're going to do is we're going to get this top down, we're going to get these door cards put in, we're going to get the speakers put in, do the radio, just take a look at this light. And that should be it. Then we can go out and have a little bit of fun. So I do also need to adjust the clutch pedal. I noticed that the clutch pedal is super low, like almost impossible to put it in gear. But that's just because I need to adjust it. There's actually a rod up underneath by the pedal that you can adjust to bring the pedal out a little bit more. And then when you do that, that gives more throw when you put your foot down on the clutch, and I think we'll be just fine after that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these door cards unboxed. They are just raw aluminum right now. I don't think we're gonna do anything with them. I was originally gonna wrap them in like black suede, but I think we're just gonna leave them aluminum for right now until we figure out exactly what we're gonna do. So I'll catch you guys here in a minute when we get rolling on these door cards. Alright guys, so I got a couple things done already, but I wanted to show you guys the door card. So this is the LRB door card we got installed right here. Went ahead and got our Kenwood speakers already installed. This thing was super easy. So all I did was I transferred over this upper seal from our old trim piece that goes right there. And then what I did was I set the card in place. Everything lines up really easy. So these bolts go right through the push tab holes that were here before. Now you want to get them snug down. Don't over tighten them because you will strip them. I did almost strip this one right here. It was a little bit loose. I was able to come back and actually repair the spot. I actually just put a little washer behind it and it threaded right through that. So we're good there. The speaker went in pretty easy, so I actually mounted on the outside of the door card. You definitely could mount them on the factory speaker hole, but you're not going to be able to have it cover it like this. And I wanted to have one on there, so I just put it through the outside of the door card. Now these are super easy to install. I even got this cool little pull tab here. We'll probably change this out eventually, but that'll be if we wrap or get this powder coated. I really do like this just raw aluminum. I think it looks really cool, so we're gonna leave it like that for now. Everything in here works well. I don't have my trim piece on here yet, but I will put that in very soon. I'm actually thinking about getting rid of this door handle altogether and just putting a pull tab, but we will see when we get there. So the next thing I'm gonna do is get the one done on the driver's side, and then I'll come back and we'll get the steering wheel put in. I already went ahead also and got the PCV valve in here from Treasure Coast Meowta. Right there. Now that thing is way awesome. So that's the upgraded one. No air coming this way, lots of air going that way. Exactly what I wanted to see. So now that we got that all buttoned up, I'm gonna go ahead and finish that door card like I said, and I'll catch you guys when we're ready to put the steering wheel in. Alright guys, and just like that, went ahead and got the driver's side door card all installed. Got our new speaker in there. And then I went ahead and got our D&D splined quick release hub and steering wheel all installed. And then these little goodies here are some 3D printed vents from Just Send It Designs. Definitely recommend go checking them out. Over here we got some other goodies from them. So we have some fixed mounts here, and then we have their climate control knobs. Super cool. Looks really good in here. Very excited to get out and cruise. I think those vents look awesome. So now that we got all this stuff done and installed, I need to go ahead and just adjust our clutch pedal a little bit, and I need to get the front end up in the air and get the wheels off so we can install some brand new brake calipers. So nothing too crazy here in the front. just the calipers, the bleeder valves were just totally shot, and I didn't want to take a chance of something internally potentially going wrong since they were pretty much rusted out. But I'm going to go ahead and just swap them out with some brand new ones with brackets and everything. We're just going to transfer over our new pads to them, and then we're going to get these brakes bled and hopefully take it outside and do a little bit of sliding in the snow. So I'll catch you guys when the new brakes are on. All right, so the new front calipers and brackets are on. Got our stainless steel brake lines all secured, and now we're just going to go ahead and bleed these, and then we should be good to go. Got them all up there. A little bit of surface wear already on the rotor, but I haven't broken them in yet. That's just from moving it around. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is get these brakes bled. I'm gonna get these wheels back on, and then maybe we can go out and have a little bit of fun. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip where hopefully we are out getting this thing a little tiny bit sideways in an empty parking lot that's close by. Now I'm not gonna drive it super far because I do need to get an alignment on the front. It's just eyeball aligned right now, but it's pretty close enough to go ahead and take it for a little spin. All right guys, so we went and tested the brakes. I'm just hanging out inside. I did forget to film when we went out and did a little test donuts. We got a couple of them out there. No snow, but it wasn't too bad. Those acceleros that we have, the 300 treadwears, they are kind of grippy. I had to break it loose in first gear and just did a couple first gear donuts, nothing too crazy. About to hang out and relax, play a little bit of Hogwarts Legacy and a little bit of Need for Speed Heat. So if you guys are on PlayStation Network, feel free to add me. It's S Blazington. Go ahead and add me up on there. Sorry I forgot to film the outro. I promise we'll have some snow skids coming soon. I'm gonna drop that thing off to get an alignment here in the next couple days, and then we will be able to go do some sliding. Keo, you wanna do the outro for me today? You wanna say bye to everybody? Oh, Simba's back there. He wants to say bye. All right, guys. Well, until the next one, get out there, get those projects done. Peace.